everybody, this is Caesar Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another moto vlog. It's been a little while since I've done a moto vlog because I was in Las Vegas last week for a work conference and it was very cold and you can only take so much of Vegas before you lose your mind. I was there for 4 days. I think 2 days was good enough for me, but I still had a good time. Met a lot of cool people, had a lot of fun, and learned why I shouldn't fly all the time, because that lag and jet lag and time zones, that stuff messes you up. It messes you up. But anyways, I just got back from the RuckCity shop, just going there to help build some stuff and organize and put a sign up and stuff like that, help my buddy out to get that stuff set up. So now I'm on my way back home. It's off of 290, so it's probably around 14 miles from the house, so there's a little bit of distance, not too bad, but I enjoy it. He's already got some projects in there, and I'm pretty excited to see what he builds out there, you know? Listen to this. Just kidding. No, I'm not that excited. I just put an NCY clutch in here, and it's pretty violent when you take off. It's got a lot of grip on it now. A quarter mile, continue straight. Okay? Sometimes Google Maps kind of talks to you a little bit weird. Continue on your right to go straight, and that doesn't seem to make sense. Okay, so I guess it wants me to take the Beltway. I don't know if you guys can hear what she's saying, but I can. So, I came back home and the GY6 Ruckus was good.
Continue on Texas 8.
Nothing was wrong with it. I didn't have any carb issues. But I did have a little bit of leak from the transmission fluid. I bought a whole gasket kit and everything, and come to find out I forgot to put a bolt on for the transmission cover. So I put that on and it hasn't leaked since, so hopefully that's a permanent solution. And I'm freezing cold. It's not as bad as it could be, but I gotta go pick up some fried chicken on the way home. Apparently that's what my wife said, that I mandatory have to pick up fried chicken on the way home. I think this is going to make me go all the way to 249. Yeah, pretty sure of it. Yeah. So basically I'm riding the feeder of the freeway, or the access road, depending on the, or frontage road, depending on where you're from. Some places call it access road, some places call it frontage road. But it's nice to keep up with traffic. So the X22 GT's got a few videos coming out. By the time you get this, I've already released 2, the speed test and the detailed look video. So I come to find out that the motor in there is a Helix, a Honda Helix copy. So it's not a GY6. It's a Honda Helix motor. A copy, since Honda stopped making it, then they John Way or whatever, and another company picked it up. I got this tip from a subscriber who left a comment about that motor. It was either a comment or a direct message, I can't remember. And he told me about the clone of the motor. I thought it was pretty cool. It's a Honda motor inside of the X22 GT. So I've got a full week with me next week. A lot of the life problems that have been going on, the criticality of things is kind of settling down as of yet. There's still the one major one with my mother-in-law, but everything else seems to be kind of calming down. Hopefully I can focus on the channel, focus on work, focus on my immediate family, and make sure I get all that stuff straightened out. So I think I'm going to paint my wheels black. I know some people say don't, but I kind of got an idea of what I want to do when I paint it black. for how I kind of wanted to look. I was a little bit convinced by Lee, but I mean, I'm going to go ahead and do it because eventually I'm going to get a wheel set, so I might as well experiment with black to see if that's something that I like on the current wheels that I have now. The Expect should be up and running soon, and then you should get a series of Lycan videos. I haven't had the Lycan in a while, but my brother, like I said before, his fiance has been riding it, and they've been discovering cool things about it, and I'm liking the quality of the bike a lot more. So expect to see more of those, and the Expect. So expect to see the Expect and other things. Like I'm racing that truck. Probably shouldn't be. Anyways, so there's my little updates. What else I got going on? Oh, I did get the plates for the X22. The final plates, not the temporary plat tags, but the final plates. So you should see more of that in some moto vlogs. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to ride it a few times next week and upcoming weeks, because, well, for once in a while, it's automatic, easy to ride, and it's very interesting. I'm really curious to see how well I can ride it to work, because so far it seems like a pretty good commuter bike, and it's pretty fun. So I guess high-speed motovlogging is not my thing, because I keep stop talking because I need to concentrate on what's going around on me, because the reaction time to a situation is much smaller than a regular particular event that would happen in your life. On the road, on a scooter. Gessner Road, left 2 lanes. Here we go, left 2 lanes. Thank you, Google, for informing me that I need to be in the left 2 lanes.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto North Gessner Road.
So she stalls when she's cold, but then once she warms up, then she's idling too high. So what does that mean? Okay, well, I gotta go pick up chicken. Hopefully I can find some fried chicken on the way home. Hope you guys liked and subscribed. Expect to see more moto vlogs. I'm considering changing the schedule from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so that I have a little bit more time with the family and a little bit more time to produce things. Let me know what you think below, if that's a good idea. I don't like leaving giant gaps between videos, but you know, in some cases it's unavoidable. Hope you guys enjoyed riding with me, and I will see everybody in the next video.